Hey guys, I am on my way almost there to Tulum to see the ruins, and this whole trip has been really awesome. Came down here for just a little vacation, get away and relax. Of course there's ruins, so I had to go see them, and then of course I can't not film that, so I'm excited. I'm about 13 minutes away, and just been in here jamming out to some of my music and enjoying this drive. And we'll be showing the ruins to you here real soon. So it's a nice long walk out here from where you park to get to the entrance. You can hop on some of these buses like this one that's coming, and they will give you a ride to the ruins. Not too bad. You have to kind of make your way through all the vendors and different stuff like that, and everybody trying to get you to buy things. But once you get past that, you're just on this straight shot, this road that I'm going down. It takes you on down here to the actual ruins.
Tulum was once a seaside fortress with a massive cliff face on one side and large limestone walls around the rest. The blowing palm trees and sounds of the ocean give this place a whole different feel than other Mayan ruins I've visited. We came in from the north gate and spotted our first temple, the Temple of the Wind God. This temple overlooks the harbor where ships would have come in, which gets used as a secret beach today. And then El Castillo, the 25-foot tall main temple, rose over the horizon. This temple has a small shrine on top that historians believe would have been used as a signal to incoming ships, since it sits on the same mark as a break in the barrier reef leading up to the beach. Passing the Temple of the Frescoes, this building was used as an observatory for tracking the movements of the sun. It has several carvings of the Mayan diving god on the outside and a still intact mural on the inside. But visitors are no longer allowed in there.
So this site here is actually incredibly small. I've been here less than an hour and I've already walked the whole thing. But really amazing. It's on a cliffside with the beach down below. People are down there swimming. Very, very cool. It's a beautiful place. There's animals everywhere. And the ruins are pretty spectacular. And it being on a coast and everything, I will warn you, it is brutally hot. Incredibly hot. It's like Texas. Hey guys, so just finished Tulum, and excellent site. It is crazy hot here. There are options here at this site for getting around. Little trains that'll take you down, bikes that you can rent. And so this is one of those sites, while small, if you have kind of a hard time with some physical activities, I would take advantage of the transportation options here. It is just brutally hot. I am completely drenched from just walking this site, but really amazing. It's on the beach on cliffs, and it's just picturesque. It's beautiful. And so if you have a chance to come out this way and see Tulum or even Chichen was amazing as well. I would do that. I would definitely do that. So thanks for following along.
Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed the show and you want to see more of it, share the video with all of your friends. Make sure they subscribe too. Every like, every comment, and every subscriber moves us up further and further on YouTube's algorithm, making it easier for us to bring more and better content to you. So until next time, stay safe and have a great week.